So today we're going to learn about the letter U.
Letter U.
Yes. This is a lowercase u,
Lowercase U.
uppercase U.
Uppercase U. Wow. What's this?
That's the lowercase u,
That's lowercase U.
and that's the uppercase U. Uppercase U
Uppercase U.
and the lowercase u.
And the lowercase U.
Can you put the U right there? Uppercase U.
There's two U's.
U says
U say
umbrella,
umbrella.
uniform,
Uniform.
underwear,
Underwear.
umbrella,
Umbrella.
unicorn,
Unicorn.
ukulele.
Ukulele.
Uppercase U,
Uppercase U.
lowercase u.
Lowercase U.
UFO,
UFO.
unicorn,
Unicorn.
umbrella,
Umbrella.
ukulele.
Ukulele.
Up,
Up.
utensils
Utensils.
is for umbrella.
Umbrella.
Look, and unicorn.
Unicorn.
There's a unicorn inside.
Baby Boo took the unicorn in the.
You found a baby unicorn. You have 1, 2.
That's my unicorn.
Yep, that's your unicorn.
Say big unicorn. That's you. Small unicorn.
Big unicorn, that's your small unicorn. U is for umbrella.
Umbrella.
That's an umbrella.
Oh,
Ooh, let's see. U is for unicycle.
unicycle.
Unicycle has 1 wheel.
No, that's a bicycle.
A bicycle has 2 wheels. A unicycle has 1 wheel. That's the uppercase U.
And the lowercase U.
Yes, and the lowercase u.
Wanna go in?
Unicorn,
Unicorn.
underwater,
Underwater.
underground,
Underground.
underwear,
Underwear.
unicorn,
Unicorn.
Under Armour,
Under Armour.
up,
Up.
unicorn,
Unicorn.
unhappy,
Unhappy.
unicycle,
Unicycle.
underwear,
Underwear.
umbrella,
Umbrella.
uniform,